News. I am news anchor Allison Cummins, along with Victoria O'Donnell. Today, we will be looking at two sometimes deadly contaminants, bacteria and viruses. Both contain similar properties, which Victoria will tell you about.
Such as, all bacterial cells invariably have a cell envelope, glycocalyx, a cell membrane, a cell pool, they all have ribosomes, and a nucleoid. The majority has a cell wall too. Although they are common to many species, flagella, cilia, fimbriae, capsules, slime layers, and granules are not. They are not universal components of all bacteria. And viruses and bacteria are the simplest forms of biological system microbial modes. Tongue twister. Where scientists find life's fundamental molecular mechanisms in their most basic, accessible form. Bet you didn't know that one, did you? And next, we are going to focus on the bacteria
And how it attacks your body. The snack that smiles back, goldfish.
Ah, it's a goldfish! Goldfish, woo! Yummy. In my tummy. Get a bag of them today, because goldfish are just that good. And welcome back. I am sitting here with my co-anchor, Allison Cummins, and she is going to give you some information on bacteria.
Okay, on bacteria. The short generation span of bacteria helps them to adapt to changing environments. Bacteria cause diseases in one of two general ways. Some damage the tissues of the affected organisms directly by breaking them down for food. Other bacteria release poisons that harm the body. Bacteria are generally quite small and have simple shapes. The advent of molecular biology has made it possible to classify bacteria on the basis of similarities among DNA sequences and has revolutionized thinking in bacterial systematics. Bacteria lack the membrane-bound nuclei of eukaryotes. Their DNA forms a tangle known as a nucleoid, but there is no membrane around the nucleoid. And the DNA is not bound to proteins as it is in eukaryotes. Bacteria contain plasmids, or small loops of DNA, that can be transmitted from one cell to another, either in the course of sex or by viruses.
Ew. But you didn't know that one, did you?
No.
Nasty little boogers, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
Oh,
What you do to them,
and breaking news. There, our anchor, Jennifer Hart, is out in Minnesota where a virus or a bacteria is now attacking a cell. This is incredible coverage. Go there now. Who are you?
I am the bacteria!
Death! So cold.
By Josh Groban's new CD entitled Closer. In stores now and forever. You will love it like this song, but it didn't write the song. But this song raises us up. Ready? You raise me up so I can stand on mountains.
Welcome back back to Health News. I am news anchor Jennifer Hart, along with Brittany Cummings. Brittany's going to tell us some interesting facts about viruses.
Virus is a genome enclosed in a protective coat. Viruses can only reproduce within a host cell. Animal viruses are diverse in their modes of infection and replication. Viroids and prions are infection agents even similar than viruses. Viruses may have evolved from other mobile genetic elements.
Very fascinating, isn't it? Breaking news! We have viruses attacking in Idaho! The potatoes are going to go extinct if somebody doesn't stop it! On to Idaho!
Am I falling?
Welcome to Health News! I'm here, your host, Jennifer Hart, with the
Hemophilus influenza.
and that's wonderful, virus. Okay, now to you, bacteria. Tell me about yourself.
Well, people used to think that I caused influenza, but no, I don't. Actually, I cause bacterial meningitis and middle ear infections in children and pneumonia in adults. There is a vaccine too, but I'm still dangerous.
Wonderful. Now to you, virus. How do you feel about attacking a wonderful, healthy cell? I take that as a yes. Tell me about yourself. Obviously, you don't talk, so let me say a few words. The influenza virus causes acute upper respiratory disease in humans, usually accompanied by a fever. These viruses are roughly spherical and are about 200 millionth of a millimeter in diameter. That's small. Now, bacteria. How do you feel about attacking a wonderful, healthy human cell?
You know, it's a really hard job because, I mean, you can go to have to attack a cell every day, and some of them are just so dang hard-headed, you won't die. You know, you attack them, and then you sit there, and it's very stressful. I had to, talk to my mom about this, 10 times. I'm not very good at this job, but, I do enjoy it. But they have such a thick membrane. They just don't die. They just live. But I eventually kill them, but it takes a while.
Virus. Do you think that just anybody could be what you are? Again, I take that as a no. What about you, bacteria?
Huh?
Do you think that just anybody could be you?
No. I am the one and only bacteria. Nobody can be like me. I am, awesome.
Well, this is Jennifer Hart signing out with the virus and bacteria.
And welcome back to Health News, where we are signing off now because this program is over. I hope you've enjoyed it, and good night. Oh, one more thing. Take lots of vitamins because those help fight off the bad bacteria and stuff. Very good advice, very good advice. Jennifer?
Yes, and also wash your hands a lot.
Antibacterial soap.
Yes, very good. Before and after every meal and during when you open animals, there we go, dissection. And don't forget to clean off your equipment, kids.
Yeah.
Get that cleaned off.
Good.
And brush your teeth, because you with that little bacteria, Haemophilus influenza, who doesn't cause influenza, no, meningitis.
And your tongue. Clean your
Clean tongue.
Yes.
So we are set.